Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to connect Google Domains to ConvertKit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first thing is just simply start in Google Domains. So just simply sign in into your Google Domains account and just simply open your domains DNS settings. And once you have done that, just simply go to your ConvertKit and log in into your account. And from there, just simply go to the profile on the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go for the settings over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and go for the email on the left side over here. And now you should be able to see here, set up your verified sending domain. So just simply click on this one. And from here, just simply enter your domain. And guys, remember that it must be a root domain. And this will be the example. And after that, just simply provide your domain over here and just simply click on next. And after that, just simply provide your domain. Now, once you have added it, guys, just simply copy the DNS records provided by ConvertKit and just simply go back to the Google domains and paste the records into your DNS settings. And after that, just simply save the changes. And guys, remember that wait for some time to update them because it may take a few hours. And from there, just simply return to ConvertKit and verify your domain. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.